Dana Mahoney has been appointed by Priti Patel to collaborate with the French to tackle channel crossings. The ex-commando is an expert in ship-to-ship operations, has been put in command of a massive new mission to stop boaters and other small vessels sailing to Britain's shores from France.
The UK
points-based
our immigration system.
ending free movement.
But change is coming. Change is coming.
Today's title of the video is Priti Patel appoints small boat commander. The UK Secretary of State for the Home Department, Priti Patel, has appointed a clandestine channel threat commander, a new role, commanding the UK's response to confronting illegal attempts to touch the UK borders. Jointly with the Home Secretary and Minister for Immigration Compliance, Dana Mahoney will have the core task of making the channel path unviable for small boat crossings. Dana Mahoney will work together with the French to shape on the joint efforts already in progress, immediately investigating stricter action in France, comprising stronger execution actions, and adopting seizures at sea and the direct return of boats. In the month of July 2020, a combined intelligence cell was founded with France, and joint investigations caused 11 more custodies. The UK Home Secretary, Priti Patel, stated, "The number of illegal small boat crossings is appalling. We are working to make this route unviable and arresting the criminals facilitating these crossings and making sure they are brought to justice." Dan's appointment is vital to cutting this route by bringing together all operational partners in the UK and in France. This is a complex problem, but across government, we are working to address many of these long-standing issues. Clandestine Channel Threat Commander, Dana Mahoney stated, "This role is vitally important in the fight to end the heinous crime of people smuggling across the channel. I look forward to working closely with the Home Secretary and Minister for Immigration Compliance as well as with law enforcement bodies in the UK and France to bring to bear every capability available to tackle this critically important issue." In other news updates, the UK Home Affairs Select Committee has initiated an investigation into the upsurge in migrants crossing the channel in small boats. It will examine matters, including the lawful status of migrants and the responsibility of French and British establishments, as well as action taken to act against human traffickers. The Ministers of Parliament will also ponder at circumstances in migrant camps in France, Greece, and Italy and the care for lone children who reached the UK. Our video ends here. What do you think about Priti Patel's actions against the incoming migrants? Comment below and share your thoughts with us. Thanks for watching today's video update.